A lawsuit is claiming Skittles are actually bad for you and not just for your waistline.
Does tasting the rainbow cause cancer? Skittles is being sued for having a toxin in their rainbow candy. It's called titanium dioxide and it gives Skittles that bright color. It's banned in several countries. Basically, the FDA of Europe concluded it's not safe and has the ability to damage your DNA and may cause cancer. Skittles responded as expected. Basically, it's legal in the US and we complied with the FDA. Some people say the US puts business over people's safety, acting only after there's been harm, while other countries act to prevent harm. Do you agree? Today's video is serious, but knowing this law could save your life or the life of a friend. Deaths resulting from overdose in the US have more than doubled in the last decade. When something like that happens, especially when you're young, you might be frightened by what's happening and scared you'll get arrested if you call for help. That's why states created Good Samaritan laws. Most states have some version of this law which prevents you from being charged with possession if you're calling 911 for help. Please look up how this law works in your state. Someone's life could depend on it.
One phrase that will save your case. If you file a case, you most likely will have to answer a bunch of questions. This is called a deposition. If you think the questions are there to trick you, repeat after me.
I don't know.
That's right. All you have to say is, and you won't hurt your case. This lawyer's secret will save you when you get pulled over.
The cops may ask you something like, "Where are you coming from?" or "Where are you headed?" Watch out, these are trick questions. They're probably fishing for information to see if you're drunk or came from a crime scene. So repeat after me. I wouldn't mind telling you that, but may I ask why first? Now you have the upper hand, but if they keep pressing and you don't want to answer, remember, I invoke the fifth.
Here's some weird laws in LA you've probably broken. In LA, you may not hunt moths under street lamps. So for all you bug collectors out there, tough luck. And in Hermosa Beach, it's illegal to pour salt on a highway. What the heck?
Don't talk to the cops.
Facts. No snitching.
All right, you two, let's go. Spill.
I'm not saying nothing.
We know you're innocent. Your friend is the only criminal here. Isn't that right?
Okay, yeah, I had nothing to do with it. It was all her fault.
Great. Book him.
You pinky promised.
You pinky promised
you were
me.
gonna snitch.
And so did
Well,
you.
you did.
Here's 3 things they don't teach you in school, legal edition. When you need to buy books for school, buy them used. It will save you money. Plus, they're highlighted and have notes in them. If the cops ask you if you want to drink or soda, say no, because they might use it to get your DNA. And if you're going to file a personal injury case, don't post yourself doing things on social media. It will be used against you, and a picture is worth 1,000 words. This is what to say when the cops say, "Do you know how fast you were going?" Repeat after me.
I believe I was going the speed limit.
Never, ever admit to speeding, because anything you say will be used against you.
Hey Law Squad, we certainly had our fill of fun today, haven't we? I hope you liked that video. Was there anything I didn't cover that you wanted me to? Have a burning question about a law you've heard about? Or famous cases you want me to summarize? I always appreciate when you comment suggestions for topics you'd like to see. Thanks for doing that. Maybe I'll use your suggestion in a future video. Until then, I'm Law by Mike, reminding you to drink more water.